There she is there on hard standing. Oh, that's the outside of the boat. You see it's the sail luxe yachts. If anyone's interested. Here's the bottles. She's a bit dirty at the moment, but they're going to wash her down, clean all the inside. Yeah, so she should look nice and clean and smelling nice. Hello everyone. So it's been a little while. Hi. On the boat now. She's out the water. She's on hard standing. As you can see, we're packing everything up to take off for her to be sold, unfortunately. Yeah, right. Yeah, so she's on hard standing. We've got her up for sale with Luxe Yachts and another broker. I can't think of the name of it at the moment, but I'll put it in the description later. As you can see, she's standing outside. I won't go round the boat because I'll get told off, because apparently we can't video. I don't know what happened there. It just went off for a minute. Yeah, so I'll bring you back shortly, and we'll take it from there. Hi guys, I'm back on the boat. This will be the third visit, and today's the last day. So I've cleared everything out. I'll show you. I've put all the curtains back up, so I took them down and washed them. This is the back cabin with its little sink, sink and drawers. A little cupboard there. Right, I'm going to the galley. Actually, we're going to the middle cabin. That's all cleaned out. Washing machine and an air dehumidifier, sorry. I will still keep doing videos now and then, but it's a bit awkward because I'm looking after my husband. He's very unwell. Brand new microwave. I know I've told you all this, but I'm just showing you that it's been emptied. There's a lock there. It's got to go back on there because the door's off on it. She does need cleaning inside. That's where she's been sitting in the water, and now she's been on hard standing. She's got a bit musky inside. Brand new cooker, not even been used, not even been turned on. Full ring gas hob with a lid. That's a new fridge freezer. That's the freezer at the top there. And obviously the fridge at the bottom. So everything's been cleared out. I've put the curtain back up in there in the toilet. There's the door for that cupboard. That little cupboard's been cleared out. Let's go into the front room now. or the saloon, as they would call it. There's a big Victron Multi Plus, 3000 plus. I had to have a second alternator put on the boat to run alongside the 9 batteries that we got on it. I've put the curtains up there at the front. I only put them up really using it of a night time really, so perhaps I should take them down. Only unclipped like that. Just leave them hanging like that. I'll clip this one. That's it. Captain's chair, footstool. Yeah, it's very heartbreaking having to sell the boat after I've had all this, you know, spent all the money on it. I mean, you know, we have spent over, I would say it was about 250,000 we spent, with, you know, all the odd jobs and bits and pieces you buy for the boat and that. A lot of people don't believe us, but we have. It's true. There's the aerial. You put that can take 2 SIM cards. So if one's not working, you can get out on the other one, or vice versa. That was expensive to buy that. Obviously got an MP3 CD radio there with remote control. We've had a hell of a lot done, you know, on the boat, and unfortunately, due to Peter's being terminal, we just can't use her anymore. So, you know, I've got to sell her. Anyway, I'm going to bring that to an end now, guys. Thank you everyone for subscribing and you know, watching the videos. I've just got to put them few last minute bits on, and then that'll be it. That'll be goodbye to A.W.O.L. Yeah, it's very, very heartbreaking. Yeah, I'll bring it to I don't know what happened there. It just went off. Yeah, so just had a little bit of a cry. Yeah, so yeah, bring it to an end now. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. You know what you got to do. And I'll see you sometime, maybe. So thanks for watching anyway. Take care everyone. Bye bye.